Cause your mouth stink.
Yo, split star, you fucking up. Yo, I'm a general in a Busta. One split star. I'm telling you this, man. Love him and alleviate him and die, man. One split star. Oh, you mean? Love you, split.
One. Give me your face, give me your face, give me your face.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Other side, other side.
Yeah.
One Busta.
One.
Happy New Year already. 2025. I ain't gonna lie, this shit's starting to feel real 2025-ish already. It's December 30th. But we in 2025 already, so Happy New Year to everybody. And I'll say it again on New Year's Eve at midnight. And it strike 12 and we, you know, the ball drop and all of that. But I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody in advance. Jamaica, we on our way. Freedom Street will soon reach. Welcome to Uticus Airline. Inside the dancehall is Uticus Airline. Welcome to Uticus Airline. Freedom Street with Sunridge, Uticus Airline. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Dorian, Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year, Busta. We're upon Uticus Airline. See? Uticus. Kings Plaza.
Yeah.
Eastern Park.
Yeah, Uticus.
Uticus.
Uticus Airline, yeah. Enjoy 2025 from now. Freedom Street will soon reach. Bless up on yourself.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we're there with a hot one. A mad one in the morning, my people. You don't know me. I be gonna like, share, subscribe on that video here. You don't know, God is the greatest. Well, I give God thanks for life, my people. Alright, my people, you don't know what I'm going today. Today are the big bad show. The biggest show where the country I gonna see in a couple years, or I gonna see for the next few years to come as well. My people, Freedom Street, and you don't see celebrity, international celebrities has been flying in the country, left, right, and center. Alright, and this is Busta Rhymes, some people. I see an update, Shatta Wale, and enough other people there, my people. I want to go see what I go on because today is Freedom Street. So no more promises and no more things from behind, my people. I hate this. And you don't know, Busta Rhymes is here, so I'm link up with Vybz Kartel and be sitting. I'm soon come back, my people.
No? No. What is that on my nose? I'm out! I know I want Busta. That's what we say.
Alright, my people, no don't see that set. Busta Rhymes in the island, him and World Boss link up already. So that part of it close. Now we're gonna get to see how much more exciting the day I gonna get, my people, the new year I gonna get. Because you don't know, word of it say Nicki Minaj I got there, my people. Word of it say Cardi B I got there, my people. Word of it say Drake I got there, my people. And anybody wanna get them ticket yet? Let me show you what I go on over the stadium. Over the stadium, mad. Yeah, my people, no don't see what go on. The stadium shot. the thing look mad. A mad thing later, you know. When the fireworks kick in, when time Cartel dep on stage, a mad thing, my people. Alright, my people, I just want to drop that quick video here from make you know what Guan. Make you get the comment section active, my people. Now tell me what you think. You got there Freedom Street later? My people, you make me know what really Guan. Right, yes, I'm going to jump off of the video for my people. It's just a quick one. Bless upon yourself. Jamaican chat. What they below my nose? I'm out.
So I'm there for 4 minutes to drink again, strictly 2K. Yeah, man, enough respect to Vybz Kartel. Shut up. Shut up. That's how we feel on Sidra. She's in a blazing garden. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Go on. I name Sean Shabla. What if a big song introduced it? Real bad man, I'm playing up. I introduce it. Kakito Pandido. I introduce it. May I the dancehall parent? Come on. I introduce it. So big up all of the fans then at Strictly. And big up all of the guys them with Beatley. And big up all of the dogs them with Clitly. Remember, choose your fighting stadium, and it about everybody there.
Vybz Kartel wants you to take notes of these very important ticketing and parking information. Center stage and pod ticket holders will park on the stadium grounds. Parking for the grandstand and the bleachers will be at the National Heroes Park. Parking for the infield will be at the Jamaica College or 8 Kings House Road. No tickets will be sold at the National Stadium, so ensure to get them at your respective park and ride locations before you're transported to the venue. Gates open at 4 p.m., with DJs giving you the best in music. Enjoy the excellent decor assorted foods and beverages. Vybz Kartel hits the stage at 10. Don't miss the opening either. Be prepared for fireworks show to count down 2024 and ring in the new year at midnight. Then Vybz Kartel hits you again in 2025 with more hits from his enormous catalog. Tickets now available online at freedomstreetlive.com or visit any Fontana Pharmacy and El Paso stores.